Hi everyone. So this is really crazy because I'm in Taipei. Yay! It's so surreal. I arrived this morning around 6 or 7 a.m. Now in this apartment. The concept of traveling is so weird to me now because I haven't left my house or New York in so many months. It's just so weird that in a blink of an eye I'm alone and I am on a plane and then now I'm here, in a different country. I'm really excited for where this journey takes me. I really want to vlog my gap year. I'm going to be interning soon. So I want to take you guys on that journey with me through vlogging. Before I move on to any afterthoughts or anything, I just want to take a little tour of the apartment that I'm currently staying in. Yeah, I'm wearing no pants. Okay. I hope no one's seeing me. So it's currently 1 p.m.-ish. I'm trying so hard to find my jet lag, man. I'm so tired. So this is when you first enter. This is the hallway and the living area. My fridge is over there. There's just a desk, a chair. It's pretty spacious. And my backpack. I got my ukulele right here, a yoga mat, and this is the beautiful view of Taipei. So on my desk here, I got my 3 rice balls, my AirPods, just it's kind of a mess right now, but I will clean that up. I'm stacked up on food for this quarantine, some face masks, we got some eggs, we got some frozen foods right here so I don't go hungry. Right here, got my slippers, my clothes from my flight. And over here, we got the kitchen. It is really spacious. I got everything I need. I got a water filter, a kettle. My vitamins are over here. My bowls. There's no oven or a microwave, so I'll have to steam things and heat things by the pan. Over here, I don't have a washing machine, so I gotta wash things with my hands. Damn, it smells like Taiwan. I don't know if it's just me, but if anyone's watching this and you're from Taiwan or you're an American Taiwanese kid like me and you've come back and you just inhale that humidity, you know what I'm talking about. It's just, you know you're in Taiwan when you smell it. It feels good to breathe that in. It's been a while. Actually, I came here last summer. That's the last time I came here, but still been a while. I got my station here and you can hang your clothes up there. There's hangers, but I put it into my bedroom. This is the outside. This is as close as I'll get to the outside world right now. It's such a beautiful day out today too. Back to the inside we go. We are going to the bathroom. It is really clean and the water is really nice. I took a shower in here earlier. I'm just more concerned with the fact that it's clean. Hello, that is me. This is all my stuff. I know I have a lot of stuff. I have to sort it out. I just put everything out for now because my moisturizer exploded in my bag. This is my room that I'm currently staying in. I got my phones, my laptop, my vitamins, notebook, makeup, camera bag, everything here. This is the closet. It looks like different squares, but actually it comes out like this. I just have a few things hung up. I don't have everything here yet. Here is another section with my luggage. Yeah. I just love how much sunlight comes in. This is great. And the air conditioning is up there. And then this is the view. Dang, look at that. This is my Muji diffuser. I brought it with me because it helps me go to sleep. On our way over here, there's these 2 rooms I actually don't use because since I'm living alone, this is a spare bedroom. It's smaller than the other one. This is the view from it. I do prefer the other one since the sunlight comes in much more nicer and it's a lot bigger. There's closet space. And then here is this huge area that also I do not need. I was thinking I could use it for dance practice, perhaps. And then this is the bathroom. It's smaller and there is a shower hose, but it's not as nice as this other one, I feel like. It's still very clean. And yeah, that is the apartment tour. I'll probably decorate it more once I get more settled in. This is just all I could do for now. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the process of getting here and quarantine, because I just feel like it's important to know like how Taiwan has been controlling the pandemic and how great their system is. The moment I stepped into the airport in New York, there was already people who approached me at the check-in desk, and you can't go past them until you fill out a quarantine like form that's mandated by the government, and that requires your home address that you're going to be quarantining at, all your basic information. Airport was completely empty, like there was seriously no one. Also, my flight was at like 1 in the morning, so that also I think played a factor. And on the plane too, everybody was placed far apart from one another. I luckily had a whole row to myself, so I knocked out the entire ride. And there were no good movies because there are no movies out right now, sadly. I had an N95 mask on my face and a face mask and my neck pillow, so I looked really disgusting and sweaty. After I got off the plane, right before you go into baggage claim, there's another group of people that do not let you go past them, and you have to refill out that like form I was talking about earlier on your phone, and they have to double check that you receive like their text confirmation. It's a little scary because like they can track you if you leave your apartment at all, and there's no app to keep you in check. They just know from connecting you from that form and like getting your text messages and everything. So after that, I lined up to get a taxi to get to my apartment, and even then you're supposed to line up and there's someone who's like alcohol spraying down all your luggage. It was a man who sprayed me down head to toe, front and back, using alcohol spray. Even on the taxi, they're not allowed to like drop you off in the middle anywhere or pick up anything along the way. You need to like go straight to the quarantine designation. My first day quarantining, I hope I can make a vlog for almost all the days, but I got here and I realized I have no Wi-Fi. My personal hotspot is a mess. I literally am linking up my Wi-Fi via personal hotspot via a freaking iPhone 5. I don't even have a means to even like watch a video without it pausing every 2 seconds. Thank you if you watched this, and if you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you want to see more. Yeah, thank you.